Hello and welcome to the module number 27 of the digital marketing course. So as promised, this video is about the tools that are going to help you with content marketing, with the different phases of content marketing. So I have already shared you some templates that you can use that I had created, and that are going to be really helpful, and they're going to save you a lot of time and save you a lot of mental energy as well. But there are some more tools provided by different brands out there, and they are going to actually help you a lot for inspiration and for easing out your content creation and distribution process. All right, so let's talk about those tools. So the first tool that I have for you is Potent's content idea generator. So I'm just going to copy this name and I'm going to just open up my browser and show you what magic does this tool does. Okay, so let's just Google search about it, and here is the link to it. And when I click on it, you're going to see how amazing this tool is. Okay, so you just have to enter in your keyword, like back exercises for pain, something like this already came up. And when I click on generate idea, so you can see here, why insert celebrity name will never be good at back exercises for pains. So you can see that this is an amazing headline idea. It starts with a why, and you can add in a celebrity's name, and this thing you can change actually. Not every idea that this tool pops up is going to be actually a good one, but it's going to be great in terms of being engaging, and it will be catchy enough for people to actually open it. So you can get inspiration from this tool, and it's not just about generating one idea. You can see another title, you just click on this button, and you are going to get different ideas all the time, and it's a never-ending thing. Okay, so see, 11 reasons back exercises for pains are the weakest links. Now 11 reasons back exercises for pains are terrible for your health. Okay, and this is going to be a great headline for a health industry article, isn't it? Let's see another article. So 11 ways back exercises for pains can find you the love of your life, can find you the peace for your body. All right, or can actually help you with your daily routine, right? Anything. I'm just just saying anything that is coming to my mind right now, but you understand what an amazing tool this is. Okay, you can see another title, you can save your idea as well, you can change your subject, like I want to talk about weight loss for children, or let's just use weight loss and just hit generate idea. So see, why Jezebel should write about weight losses. Okay, a strange headline, but you understand. Then how a government shutdown affects weight losses. You can change it to how a COVID infected family affects weight loss, or how weight loss affects to a COVID infected individual. All right, and then 9 ideas you can steal from weight losses. 9 ideas you can actually you can actually replace it with any other word. I'm blank right now about this. So how weight losses can keep you out of trouble. Okay, so you can use this headline as well. The main idea about this Potent tool is that it gives you a catchy headline that people it's highly clickable, so people are going to click on it. Okay, so you can see actually this tool, the look of this tool has been changed. The last time I used it, it didn't look like this. So you can see there are some other resources as well. All right, so this was the first tool that I was talking about. The second tool is Hubspot headline generator, which is is again a headline generator tool, just like the Potent one. So let's just open it up. So you see it is called blog ideas generator. So let's just click on it. So see, you just have to enter a noun. So I can add weight loss, and let's just hit add, and it says give me blog ideas. Now it's going to give you 5 blog ideas. See, weight loss expectations versus reality. Will weight loss ever rule the world? Now obviously you'll have to change this. This is just a computer algorithm giving you ideas, right? The next big thing in weight loss. Weight loss explained in fewer than 140 characters. This week's top stories about weight loss, right? So you have got 5 ideas for free, but if you want to unlock 250 more ideas, you have to create an account in HubSpot, and that's a free account. Actually, you can do so. So that's all about the HubSpot blog topic generator. And while I just entered this, I saw one more link, free content creation tools by HubSpot. So HubSpot is a famous brand which is famous for a lot of inbound marketing and content marketing efforts. So you can see these are the 2 tools. Okay, I've already told you both the tools. So I have used the Make My Persona tool, and I have used the blog ideas generator tool in this video. All right, so let's move ahead to the next tool, which is the Grammarly Chrome extension. You might already be using it, but let me just tell you what this does. Okay, let me just type in Grammarly, and you'll be able to understand what this tool does. Okay, or let me just open up a Google Doc, an article of my own, and I will show you how Grammarly works in that. Okay, so let's wait for it to open up. There are obviously going to be a lot of articles which I can't actually show you, but let's see. Let me find one. Idea. Let's see. Okay, let me just change it to owned by me only. There are a lot of articles which have been shared by other people. Okay. All right, let's see. I'm not actually finding any topic idea for now. Yeah, so let's just do this one. 10 mistakes to avoid with email marketing. Now, this was an article that I was writing. Okay, so it is a blank document actually. Give me some time. I hope you don't mind me doing that, because everything is dynamic. Let's see what we have in this one. I just want to show you how Grammarly works. Yeah, so this is a document. This has some content in it. Now let me just go to my extensions tab, and I have actually disabled the Grammarly extension for now. Let me just do it. Let me just switch it on, Grammarly, and I also want to enable the Pro Writing Aid Grammar Check and Writing Coach. So I have just enabled them, and now within a few seconds you are going to see what Grammarly does. Okay, this is the symbol of Grammarly. So let me just click on it, and I'll have to actually log in into it for you to see how it works. So let's just do that. Grammarly is actually a service which has a paid account as well as a free account, and right now I'm going to use the free account, and the free account is also very much effective, but not 100%, obviously, because it's a free tool, but it's going to help you a lot in improving your writing. Okay, so let's just sign in into it, and let's see how we can make it work. Now I have logged in into Grammarly. So with this Google Docs, let's see if it actually checks it or not. Where is the Grammarly symbol? Okay, so these are the options that Grammarly provides. All right, so I can hit the new document button, and then we can paste this content. Okay, let me just copy it and let me just paste it in Grammarly, and you can see how Grammarly wonderfully checks your article for a lot of stuff. See, it's going to check it for correctness, for clarity, for engagement, for delivery. You can see that they found 50 writing additional features, additional issues, but they are going to show that in the premium one. But let's get back to the all alerts. You can see here that all these suggestions are what Grammarly has given us. Like really, this word really, when I click on it, it has asked me to delete this word for conciseness. Okay, now change preposition, change like to as. So if I just click on this button as, and this word has been replaced. This is how wonderfully you can correct your grammar using Grammarly. You can see that free version of Grammarly actually found 18 alerts. All right, so you can use the Grammarly tool. Also, there is one more Chrome extension called the Pro Writing Aid extension. Okay, so let me just type in Pro Writing Aid for you to show up what is actually it, what it actually is. So this is Pro Writing Aid, the best grammar checker and style editor. Okay, so you can try the editing tool. Obviously, there is a paid version of this tool as well, but I'm going to show you the free version as well. All right, so monthly subscription, this and that. Now see, in this tool, I have this Grammarly, I have this Pro Writing Aid installed here. So I'm going to try it. Oh sorry, I have to say no thanks actually. Let me just check what actually happened over here. Yeah, so it's already working. See, you can see this line over here, this blue line. So this blue line is about an error. So this box that you can see here is the suggestion by Pro Writing Aid. So it tells me that end dashes should never have a space on either side. Okay, so I'll have to replace it. Then you can see this yellow line below my word. So it says that the word that can often be omitted here. So you can just click on it and it will remove the word. Right, then this yellow line as well, this yellow line as well. Okay, can you use a stronger adjective than good? Then it gives you suggestions. So this is how, using this tool, you can actually improve your writing. You can improve your English. Your English might not be perfect for the first time when you are creating your first draft, or even after the editing process, but this tool can help you not do the grammatical mistakes, the naive mistakes which a lot of writers do. So these two tools actually make you a better writer within a few minutes when you edit your article using these tools. All right, so this is how these tools are going to help you with the content creation part. Now let's move ahead to the next tool I have in my kitty, which is the HubSpot buyer persona creator, which I have already showed you. Then the next tool is Canva. Okay, Canva is something which are used for images. Okay, so let me just open Canva for you, which is actually a graphic designer tool. And even if you don't know about Photoshop, or if you don't know anything about graphic designing, using Canva you can create beautiful images. So see, I am already logged in into my Canva account. So you can see, you can create posts for social media, for events, for marketing. So let's just see what can we do with marketing. So see, with marketing I can create an Instagram post. Let's just click on that. Now you can see how easy it is to create content for different social media platforms as well. Now with this blank canvas with us, you can actually choose the templates that Canva has for you, like the free templates. Okay, like if I want to add a quote, so I will just click on this photograph and it's going to pop up here, and I can now change it, change the content any way I want, like change. Let me just write something like, change is the only constant in this universe. All right, and maybe I want to write my own name below this. Okay, so let me just add it like this, Anmol Dugal. All right, so I have just made myself a celebrity. So I'm going to remove this one. Okay, I'm going to just I'm going to move this thing above or below, right? So all of this is grouped right now, so I'm going to ungroup it from here, and then I'm going to move this a little bit at the top, right? And I'm going to move this line, and then I'm going to move this section as well. So see, my post is done, my quote is done actually. Okay, so let me just make it a little smaller actually. Let's just do it this way. Yeah, so this is looking pretty good. I can even change the background image at the back, right? So I can change the colors as well. So let's do just blue, let's choose just white. You can do a lot of stuff with Canva. I'm not going to actually give you a complete tutorial on Canva because that is for you to explore actually. But after you have selected your photograph, after you have selected your you can add in your own elements, you can add in texts, you can add in music, you can add in videos. That is for you to explore. All right, and then you just have to hit the download button, and you can download this file as a PNG. Okay, and this file, then you can actually upload it on your social media platform. So I'm going to show you what happens after the download part, right? So this is now downloaded. If I click on it, you can see the image on the screen. Let's wait for it to load. And yes, this is the image that I had created. All right, so I can now just upload this image wherever I want. So that's how easy it is to create a social media posts using Canva, or even if you want to include posts within your blog articles, so you can create that. All right, let me just show you how to create a custom sized image. Like these are predefined sizes. Like for Instagram ad, 1080. For Facebook post, it's 940 by 788 pixel. But you can click on the create a design button, and you can select custom dimensions, and then you can add in your own dimensions. Like I want a photo of 1200 by 400 pixels for my blog. So I can click on create new design, and that canvas is going to open up. All right. So let's wait for it to load, and you can see how it wonderfully works. See, now you can imagine the size, right? It's 400 pixel in height and 1200 pixel in width. All right. So this is how you can use Canva. The next tool that I have for you is Anchor.fm, which I already talked about in one of the previous videos for creating podcasts. So see, Anchor.fm is something that you can use to host your podcasts for free, and then you can share the links of your podcast with the world. So see here, you can make your podcast. You can you can find the apps for it as well in App Store and Google Play. So everything you need 100% free. You have to just create your account, and then you can start creating your podcasts, right? So you can learn more about it. And Anchor is an all-in-one platform where you can create, distribute, and monetize your podcast from any device for free. Easy to use creation tools are there. 100% free hosting and distribution is there. You can get paid to podcast. All right, this is available in the US itself right now, but it is expanding soon, as you can see. Then we have some straightforward analytics to check, how many number of people have listened to your podcast, or if they have shared it ahead or not. So it's very simple. It's a free platform, and you can use this to start creating audio content even today. All right. So that's all about the tools for content marketing that you can use. There are obviously a lot of other tools available. It's upon you to research based on your need. But from my end, these are the tools that you need to create, plan, and publish your content for all different types. Now the video content is obviously something which you'll have to create videos using your own softwares, and maybe you are doing some live webinars, and then you need a tool for editing those videos, and you can okay, let me just add it. The tool that you can use for editing your videos is called Camtasia, which is a software that you'll have to download. Now this is something that I use on my MacBook. Okay, for Windows it's available for Windows as well, and it's a paid tool, of course. And along with this, there are some other tools like Final Cut Pro that you can use. Then we have Adobe Premiere. Okay. Then we have Adobe CC. We have Adobe Photoshop for creating images. So these are the tools that you can use if you want to learn them as well. So, these are all skills in themselves, creating photographs using Adobe Photoshop, creating videos using Adobe Premiere, right? So now all these tools you have in your kitty, and you can start using them today for doing content marketing, since written content is something that is the first step for you towards your digital marketing efforts. And you have to just create your content and publish it on WordPress after doing all the research, and then after that go ahead and distribute them over social media. So that's all for this video. This is Anmol Dugal signing off. Bye bye.